Hey creators, welcome back. If you just received a YouTube community guideline strike, take a breath. This is serious, Jan. But your channel is not finished. Let's go step by step on how to recover the right way. Step 1. Understand the level of strike. YouTube has 3 stages: warning, first violation, no penalty, but a sign to be careful. Strike 1, 1 week upload restriction. Strike 2, 2-week restriction. Strike 3, channel termination. Check YouTube Studio, dashboard, channel violations to see the exact reason. Step 2, read the violation carefully. Don't guess. YouTube tells you the category: harmful or dangerous content, harassment, misinformation, copyright abuse, scam, or spam. Your recovery depends on understanding exactly what rule was broken. Step 3. Decide if you should appeal. Only appeal if you are 100% sure. YouTube made a mistake. Good reasons to appeal: educational or documentary context. Satire or commentary misunderstood, no policy actually violated. Bad reason: I didn't know the rules. That gets rejected. When appealing, be calm, short, and factual, not emotional. Step 4. Remove risky videos immediately. After a strike, YouTube watches your channel more closely. Delete or private any videos that discuss sensitive topics aggressively, show dangerous actions, use reused or misleading content. Now, one more mistake can lead to another strike. Step 5. Change your content strategy temporarily. For the next 30 days, focus only on tutorials, educational content, tech guides, productivity or skill-building topics. Stay away from controversial subjects. Step 6. Let the strike expire. Strikes usually expire after 90 days if you don't violate again. Complete YouTube's policy training if required. A strike is a warning, not the end. Many big creators got strikes and recovered stronger by adjusting content style. Learn the policy, stay brand safe, and protect your channel like a business. See you in the next guide.